Well, hello everyone. Just set up the camp, put the chair in the car. Now I'm going to take a walk here to explore this place. I can report this too. So here isn't really wet. It's okay to drive here. The problem comes here in the shade, because you have seen that I was struggling a bit. So yeah, this is wet. Just rained for a month, so still wet, full of water. The dirt is full of water, and that's the result. So now I brought these two sticks to finish. This one is almost finished, and then we have this one too. Then I will have to think about what I can carve on these sticks. So if you have any carve ideas, feel free to write them in the comments and or think about. So I'm thinking about how I will drive out of this place and how I will drive through the mud actually. So going from here, I take steering through this side, and then we go a little bit larger, following the path that I went through before. From here, we'll steer, to go straight this way. You see here before I went through a really 90 degrees turn and it was wrong. So straight here, that's the hardest part I think. We should drive quite fast and really lightly move to this side. And the next thing is to steer through all this hard mud, but this isn't a problem here. It's quite solid. So before I was speaking to a man that was fishing there, they said that it got stuck right there at the end of the road. Well, I'm a bit scared because it's quite soft. Yeah, it's full of water, and it's actually clay, this thing. So I've been through mud a few times with a Nissan and quite confident. Actually it's quite good off-road. You only need to know how to drive it, as every car, the front-wheel drive. We will see. You see the back is already full packed of dirt. Well, let's try not to do a huge mess. Well, we made it. I wasn't sure, but you see that the Nissan goes everywhere. doesn't care about the mud. But now we will clean the wheels on the road. Yeah. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.